today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render fast in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro with your edited sequence ready to go, and let's jump straight in. Up on the top menu, click Sequence. Then choose Render Into Out. This creates preview files for the timeline between your in and out points, so Premiere doesn't have to recompute effects during export. You'll see a progress bar as it renders. Let it finish. This step is the backbone of faster exporting because we're pre-building what we can before the final encode. Once that's done, head to Export. In the Export window, scroll all the way to the bottom and expand the General section. Turn on Use Previews. This tells Premiere to reuse those freshly rendered previews when it creates the final file, which can dramatically speed things up. Just keep in mind, your export will reflect the quality of those previews. For most standard workflows, this is perfectly fine and much faster than rendering everything from scratch. Next, move to the Video tab and scroll to Encoding Settings. Make sure Hardware Encoding is selected. That taps into your GPU or built-in hardware encoder to handle the heavy lifting, which is usually much faster than software encoding. If you don't see the option, it may be unavailable for your format or hardware, but if it's there, use it for a big speed boost. Scroll further down to Bitrate Settings. Change bitrate encoding to CBR, which stands for Constant Bitrate. CBR is simpler for the encoder to process and generally exports faster than variable bitrate modes because it maintains a steady data rate throughout the file. File sizes can be a bit larger, but the time savings are often worth it when speed is your priority. For the target bitrate, follow the current YouTube guidelines for your resolution and frame rate. I'll show those on screen for convenience, but you can also search for YouTube upload bitrate guidelines to confirm the latest recommendations. Matching those targets keeps your quality in check while still benefiting from a fast export. And that's it. Render your timeline into out. Enable Use Previews, switch to hardware encoding, and set CBR with the recommended target bitrate. With that workflow, you'll maximize export speed without sacrificing the consistency needed for platforms like YouTube.